Greetings, Treetop International School community. We hope you're having a great term break. Here are a few COVID-19 safety reminders. Symptoms of COVID-19 range from mild to severe. Some symptoms include fever, cough, and shortness of breath. If you display any symptoms, we urge you to call your doctor immediately and inform our friendly administrative team. Avoid handshakes and other contacts. A friendly wave is less likely to expose you to respiratory viruses. To always practice social distancing and wear a mask. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Another critical and simple safety guideline is to practice proper hand hygiene. Wash your hands often with soap and water. If soap and water are not available, use a hand sanitizer. Remember that following these universal guidelines and reminding your friends and families to do the same will lessen the impact and spread of COVID-19. Together, we stand against COVID-19. Treetop International School, beyond academic excellence.